Now that we have introduced you to the taskbar and demonstrated some of the programs that come installed with Windows, we will now show you some of the more useful features of the taskbar. As we have just seen, you can open and work in numerous programs simultaneously, and Windows comes with several useful features that help to reduce clutter and also offer quick access to any one of your active windows. We will now discuss some of these features in more detail. Pin to taskbar. The first feature we will discuss is the ability to pin frequently used programs of your choice to the taskbar. To do this, simply navigate to the program of your choice, now right-click it, and select Pin to Taskbar from the drop-down list. We can do this again with the Paint program like so, and as you can now see, your chosen programs have now been pinned to the taskbar for easy one-click access. Items can also be pinned to the taskbar by directly dragging them to it. They can be dragged from most places, including the Start menu within Windows Explorer or from your desktop, as we will now demonstrate. To do this, drag your item like so, and when the Pinned Taskbar message is displayed, simply release the mouse button and your item will be pinned into place. You may now see a jump list appear. Jump lists are a useful Windows function, and we will explain how these work next. But before we do, we will show you how to remove a pinned item from the taskbar. To do this, simply right-click the item, and from the jump list which appears, select the Unpin this program from the taskbar option, and the item will instantly disappear. Jump lists. Jump lists make it easier to find things you use most often. To access a jump list, simply right-click the item of your choice and a list will be displayed. For example, if I right-click this WordPad document, a list of options is displayed. At the top of the window, you will see that the CV for John Smith has been pinned to the taskbar. But if we now pin another Word document and then reopen the jump list, you will now notice that two Word documents are pinned to the taskbar, and you can select which one to view with a single click, like so. Below the pinned area is the Recent Items section, where you will find a list of recently viewed documents that can be opened in one click of the mouse. And finally, below this section, you will see the word WordPad. This is for opening a new blank WordPad document without having to navigate through the Start menu to find the actual WordPad program. Each icon will have its own custom list of tasks it can perform. For example, if I right-click the Windows Media Player icon, at the click of a button I can see a video that I viewed earlier. And also listen to a track I earlier played, like so. Open with. The Open With function is another useful feature that enables you to quickly open a program in one move. For example, I can open this image in the Paint program, ready for instant editing, by simply left-clicking the image and whilst holding down the Shift key, dragging it onto the Paint icon like so. You will now see it says Open with Paint. Now, whilst still holding down the Shift key, when I release the mouse button, you will now see that the picture opens up in the Paint program. Windows shortcuts. It's easy to open programs with Windows Quick Launch shortcuts. These are designed to further offer easy one-click access to any program or document that is pinned to the taskbar. The Windows key is used in conjunction with a number key to access this function. For example, if I wanted to open up the Paint program, I can press the Windows key, and since Paint is the fourth icon, press number 4, and the Paint program will automatically open. For Windows Media Player, Windows 3, Windows Explorer, Windows 1, and so on. So as you can see, with this useful function, it's now possible to open a program of your choice